Hi, this is Alexis from Akenza. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the device management of Akenza that lets you control all your assets in one place. So let's get started. Under the Asset Inventory page, you have all your devices that are displayed, regardless of their respective connectivity technologies. Now, if I want to add additional information about these devices, I can simply click under Columns, and I can select the parameters of these devices that I want to see. If I select tags, I see that there's the new column tags that is displayed. From this view, you can also create new devices, either one by one or by using the bulk import function, but that's for another video. If you want to apply changes to multiple devices, you simply need to select those devices and then click on Action, and then you will see you can edit those devices, add tag, add custom fields, and so on. You also have the possibility of applying multiple search queries and filters simultaneously, which can be quite helpful if you have a large fleet of devices. So for example, if I want now to display all the devices that have a temperature as a tag and that use a particular data flow, I can do so and I have the following result. Let's explore the device detail page of this LSys device. On the left of the header section, you have the metadata of your device. And on the right, you have the tags that are currently applied to this device. I can also decide to create a new tag by clicking on Add Tag, but I'm not going to do it for now. Below, the device data KPIs are displayed with their current value and their trend over the last 24 hours. So that gives you a little bit of an overview of the measurements that this device is taking and transmitting to Akenza. You can also select the data KPIs that you want to display in this overview. So if I click on Displayed KPIs, I can, for example, select the battery voltage of this sensor, and I see that this data is added to the current overview. Below, you have the device data history. So this is the place where you can display the data over time and compare different data series as well. So if I select the temperature and the humidity, I can change the time range to 7-day, and I have the following result. Going up to the device details, you find additional information about how your device is connected and what type of device it is. Below, under Rules, you see what are the rules that are currently applied to this device. Under the Message Logs tabs, all the device messages are listed together with their topic, data, and timestamp. The information is stored in a JSON structure, and that can be quite helpful when onboarding new devices or for debugging purposes. Under the API Configuration tab, you have everything you need to start retrieving data from the API. If you want to edit your device, you can do it over the More button, where you will find additional actions such as edit, data export, device deregistration, or device delete. Finally, you can access all data processing logs for debugging purposes under the Show Logs button here. And that's it about the device management of Akenza. See you in the next video. Bye bye.